Before you begin, remove the display stand and back cover. Removal. Remove the 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the storage drive assembly to the chassis. Slide the storage drive assembly toward the top edge of the unit to release it from the retention tabs. Lift the storage drive assembly straight up and out of the chassis and turn the storage drive assembly over to access the SATA cable and connector. Grasp the green tab and disconnect the SATA cable from the connector on the storage drive. Replacement. Align the key in the SATA cable with the notch in the storage drive connector and insert the SATA cable. Align the cutouts in the storage drive assembly with the retention tabs on the chassis and place the storage drive assembly into position. Slide the storage drive assembly toward the bottom edge of the unit to secure it under the retention tabs. Replace the 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the storage drive assembly to the chassis.